Hello, my name is Satyajit and I am Director of PCTE Badawa. I head the unit which is responsible for management programs in the college. We offer business administration courses in MBA and BBA and in commerce, which is Bachelor of Commerce courses for our students. In our courses, to make our students industry ready, what we do is that our courses are oriented in a way that we make them practical oriented. The course curriculum is followed in such a manner that whatever they study, it has got an immediate implication, and because our approach is practical oriented, the companies which come for recruitment and the students who go for their own ventures with their own businesses, they both benefit because our students are ready to get on to their jobs immediately. The strength of our college comes from the fact that our faculty is an experienced faculty, and when I say experienced, what I mean is that a large population of our faculty has got industry experience. Whatever is taught in the classes, when it comes from industry experienced professionals, the orientation of the class, the learning of the class is on a practical level. PCTE is an institute which is under the Punjab Technical University. It's a Government of India university, and our programs are recognized by AICTE, and we run programs as per the university curriculum. The university fee structure is followed by our college, and in this particular fee structure which we have, I think there is a huge value which a student gets by paying a very low amounts in the educational fees, and the kind of returns which they get in terms of placements, in terms of entrepreneurial activities, and so on and so forth. We have almost 25 collaborations with international universities, which helps us orient our students in and helps us give a diverse education for our students.